Damn. Would you look at that sunset though? Say something. I got a new mic.
Something.
Nice.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Vincetagram, back at it again. You find us in Daytona, Florida. Daytona Beach, Florida. We're actually gonna see, what are we seeing tonight? I mean tomorrow.
Nothing tonight, but we're doing a NASCAR race too.
Yeah, so here you find us in Daytona Beach. We're not that far away from the speedway actually. Got a hotel right here on the beach, and it is looking damn good, man. I want to move to Florida so bad. Look at this. Palm trees, sunset, beach right over there.
Squatted trucks.
Squatted trucks, definitely.
We saw like 20 of them already.
We really thought South Carolina was the hub of squatted trucks. And then we came here and we're like, why is it not called the Central Florida Slant, not the Carolina Squat? And then on top of that, we saw a bunch of camber boys, some hot boys with 15 degrees of negative camber. And then
hotel housekeepers rocking the baby.
The housekeepers blasting Lil Baby out of their Bluetooth speakers here. Yeah, so far so good. So guys, apparently they allow us in the race with like full camera setups. I didn't think, because I know at concerts and stuff, they do not like you bringing in cameras and all that. But at the NASCAR race, they're like, yeah, bring it in. Oh, this lens is way zoomed in. There we go. Yeah, so I'm super excited to be able to bring this to the NASCAR race. What else do I need to bring? Hey, I got my money on me too. We already got pizza menus being slid under our door. Let's get going. Gotta have a mask on fucking everywhere, guys. I can't wait till this pandemic ends. On to Walmart. This is what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about when I say there's squatted trucks everywhere in Florida. Like, why? So what exactly did we come here for?
Shit. Swim trunks, NASCAR memorabilia, and food.
Okay. Go dick around.
Yeah. At a Walmart.
Yeah. This is the best looking clothing section I've ever seen. They got hardwood floors in the Walmart, dude.
Wait, these are $3.
I have no clue. What?
These are $3.
Yeah, we literally just went around in a circle. Bought a whole rack. You can do it.
$3.
You can do it.
No balls. They're all extra large.
No balls. It doesn't matter. It's $3. What does it matter?
$3. My dad's gonna kill me.
Noah said he's about to be big balling in the Walmart. He's gonna buy out the entire rack.
I'm gonna buy the whole store.
Yeah, buy out the whole store. You got this, Chief. Black, y'all. This right here, dude.
Oh yeah,
that's all you.
That's all me. That's
all
my style right there.
100%.
100%.
Do you have a toy section in this?
I'm trying to go to a toy section.
Dude, I'm trying to find the toy section.
I'm trying to find the Legos.
Where the Nerf guns at? So that lady, the employee, she looked at my camera, looked at me, and knew I was about to be up to some bullshit back here.
Well,
hey, yo, hold the camera, hold the camera.
Hold on.
Grab this, grab this. Hold up. That was bad.
Damn, boy.
Oh, shit.
You're trash.
Said I was trash, I had to show out.
Across the store.
Y'all don't even know where that ball went. There we go, look at this. That's only 20 bucks.
20 bucks.
I might cop that actually.
It's an F8.
That's kind of hard.
It's
a tributo. Get the pronunciation right there.
I'm getting this.
You really are?
Yeah.
Fuck it, I'm getting the tributo. Dude, I used to fuck with these extra heavy. Yeah, I used to save up my allowance for these. Why are they 20 bucks now?
They were like 10 bucks back in the day.
I swear to God they were. It used to be like easily 1 week of allowance and I'd be there, but like now it's like an entire kid's life savings right there. Hell yeah, we're going to see NASCAR tomorrow, brother.
Hell yeah.
I don't know their names, but I just like to see them race.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and go to bed. Yeah, Noah's already in the bed. I got shit on my bed. See you guys tomorrow, cause the dark's tomorrow. Here, you do the outro.
We're going to Cape Canaveral and going to watch a NASCAR. Go Jimmy Johnson, 48. Ooh, yeah.
Yep. So yeah, tomorrow we're going to see the NASCAR race. Which series is this? I keep forgetting.
Cup Series.
Yeah, the Cup Series. I'm not a big NASCAR fan. I like to see them race anyway. And yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna go to Cape Canaveral in the morning and then head on to the NASCAR race. at all these feet on the beach. So many heads outside last night. Haven't you heard? It's a pandemic. Yes, we're part of the problem.
We decided to go to Florida in a pandemic.
Right in the middle of it.
Good choice.
Right when Florida's at the height too.
Hell yeah.
So guys, just so we don't get demonetized, like I'm not already demonetized already. We're taking proper precautions. I have a KN95 mask in my pocket. We're pretty much socially distancing ourselves from everybody. I don't know if you can see me. I gotta say though, that water is super clear down there.
Yeah, it's like it's like better than, you know, if you ever want to go to a beach in South Carolina, never go to Myrtle Beach. Dirty Myrtle.
Probably Charleston too, it's pretty murky.
Yeah. Florida
beaches are like way better. This is my first time actually coming to a beach in Florida. Like I've been to Florida probably like 10 times in my life. More than that maybe. And I've never been to the beach. I've been to like Miami, Daytona, Orlando, Jacksonville, like everywhere. And I've never gone on the beach. But yeah, that was my first time. Good experience. I gotta finish this Red Bull before I get in the car because it has like sand all over the bottom. I don't want to track that in there. I'm not gonna set it up here either. Like I said, we're gonna head to Cape Canaveral. That's about an hour south of here. There's nothing happening, but just to say we went there, we're gonna go there. Other than that, yo, what else are we gonna get up to? Yeah, me neither. I hope the mic's working well. I just put the Rode video mic on, so I hope that's doing really good.
Hopefully it didn't get ruined by the water.
Yeah, facts. Yeah, I was filming some B-roll for you guys earlier, and a big wave came at me. I'm like, oh shit, I have a $1,000 camera in my hand. Oh shit, I have a $1,000 phone in my pocket. Oh shit, I have my AirPods in my pocket. Oh shit, my wallet's in my pocket. Wow, that echoed.
Started from the bottom, now we way up. And I got that
breakfast at the Golden Arches. So yeah, as you guys can see, there's an actual NASCAR team in the McDonald's. We're gonna be in there for a hot minute. There's a good 10 of them. Oh really? Yeah. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we were gonna be in there for a long time if we waited around. So
one of the best teams in the truck series.
All right then, so find ourselves at Starbucks because McDonald's taking too long.
Hey you guys.
Started from the bottom, now we way up. And I got that baddest bitch, she stays up. Ain't no fucking playing, we ain't game boys. Now we got a name, they wanna frame us. Make sure that you keep a third.
Where is the battery? I like 4 of them and I can't find any of them in my bag. If I left $200 worth of batteries at the hotel, I'm gonna be mad.
Yeah, you're gonna be mad.
Yeah. They're in there all right. We got here and it's $10 for parking. We're like, oh yeah, that's pretty decent. We can just go ahead in. How much did it cost?
$57 per adult.
Oh my God. So that's gonna be just about $180 for all of us. Almost $200, Jesus Christ. So as you can tell, we're not doing that.
We are giving them the one finger salute.
We're gonna just like walk around.
Yeah.
Some rockets and like.
Just gonna walk around.
Get to the race. Maybe we can get into the Daytona a little early.
Yeah.
Get up seats.
Yeah, we're gonna need those umbrella things. It is hot out here. Jesus.
Very hot.
Damn, whoa, you need the red carpet. You look like a movie, you need the red carpet.
Yeah, so that's that.
Yeah. We're gonna go back to Daytona.
Yeah.
And see if we can get in early. Go to Walmart, get some personal protective equipment.
Yeah, back to Daytona we go. We're definitely gonna need those. I'm burning out here, dude. I can feel it.
We're gonna have to like bring a fan or something like that.
It's hot. Back here again.
Yeah, for the second.
Good times.
Go to the sports section.
Yeah.
Get a soccer ball and flick it over the aisle.
Let's do some tricks right quick. No, this all you right here.
That's more my style right there.
Oh, 100%.
Just Photoshop my head off right here on a bikini. On a bikini, yeah.
All right, guys. So we made it to the stadium, and we got someone putting on sunscreen on this side. We got someone putting on sunscreen on this side, and we can smell it inside the car. Camry with a tow hook. Thank you.
Skirt, skirt. When they see me pulling up, all they do is show me love. Cause they know I'm coming through in a foreign. Only say that I'm the man when I make 100 grand. Cause you know I'm coming through in a foreign.
Here we are.
We're at the track.
Yep. But we got here early, so we get to see almost 2 races. There's the trucks out right now, and then we'll see the Cup Series when that happens.
Watch them all downshift when they get this turn right here.
Pass out, and I probably should have had a Rockstar, a Red Bull, and a tea with caffeine in it this morning before we came out here in 90-degree weather. So, yeah, not the best choice. Never again. Do you know why?
What?
Never again. Do you know why?
What?
Never again. You know why? Alright guys, so the Cup Series is about to start. We're umbrellaed up.
Starting 13.
It's super hot out here. It's mid-90s.
There go the cars right down there.
One thing I've noticed is a lot of endurance guys coming to NASCAR. Quite a few people who won Rolex 24 hours in their class that are now NASCAR racing. So guys, we got some bad news. Tell them the bad news.
So we're rained out.
They said there might be lightning and thunder and shit. We're gonna head out. We gotta get back to South Carolina, so
Shout out to my
decided
boy
we were
Jimmy
gonna cut our
Johnson.
loss.
And here goes the sky right now, as you can see. Don't want to take any chances. And then again, we might be sitting here for like
2 or 3 hours.
yeah, we could be sitting here for a minute. We don't want to be doing that because we got to make it back to South Carolina. I got to work tomorrow, so.
Noah just asked me what I think about my first NASCAR race. It was amazing. So they were so loud that they hurt your ears if you don't put earplugs in. Haven't really heard any cars like that in a long time. Besides like the Hot Boys that two-step at CCM. And then like, I don't know, it's just crazy. Especially given that it was a road course and one that they haven't practiced, it definitely made for interesting racing.
They downshifted and everything.
Yeah.
And
yeah, there's downshifts in a NASCAR race for once.
off of turn 1, they downshift and they downshift right in front of the crowd.
Yep.
So it blows your ears out. It's really cool.
Yeah, eardrums are just gone right now.
America, fuck yeah, Trump 2020.
All right, so guys, we're gonna end the video right here. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and make sure your notification bell is turned on. And I'll see you next time.
All right, we're good.